Hello and welcome back, Grillman's Garage. We're outside today because it's a really nice day and we've got something new and exciting to show you. Not because it's new, but because it's exciting, it's different. It's in this bag, it's the Holystone HS600D, okay? They're big boy, they're heavy boy, they're flagship tank, if you will. A direct competitor to the FIMI X8 SE 2022 and the Ruco F11 Pro 2. This is a heavy guy, okay, around the 600 gram mark, okay. Really good in heavy winds. It's got a level 6 or 7 wind resistance, so you're really right up there, no problem at all. If you live in the mountainous areas or the coastal areas with gusts of winds all over the place, this is what this is for. Competitively, really competitively priced because you get this whole kit in one. 2 batteries, controller, the pouch, the bag, the extras, everything all fits in this beautiful pouch. Okay, it's all zippered. I've owned that. You got the manual here. We get 2 full big batteries. They're massive batteries, 4 cell, I believe. Massive batteries, 40-minute flight time. I'm gonna say you're probably gonna get 30, a little bit over 30, but that's massive for a big bird like this. You get the controller, okay? That's got the flip up, the OTG cables, all that kind of stuff, okay? And I like to keep the sticks on, and this carrying couch allows me to do that. In here we have the big bird itself, okay? And we just have to open this up a little. There we go. The big craft, no battery in this because they're in here, okay? It's a massive, massive drone. Remember, it's only got a 1/2-inch sensor, 1.8 f-stop, which means it should be pretty good in low light. Should be pretty good. So it's got a gimbal protector and it's got a propeller guard on top. Okay, I'll show you the unboxing a little bit later, but pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. That's what it is. It's a beautiful box. Okay, we're gonna get it out for a maiden flight. Just over here, a little while. See how it does compare to the FIMI. To the other one, the Ruco, okay? I think it could be pretty good. We're gonna see, okay? It's just gonna be on a little chest cam here, and we're gonna have a look, and we're gonna come back, okay? Let's go and have a look. And welcome back, Grillman's Garage. We have today the Holystone HS600D. It's been out for about a year, but we're coming back because it's a heavy tank drone, really. It's in the competition with the FIMI X8 SE 2022 and the Ruco F11 Pro 2. It's one of the few big boys that's presumably not bad. We're going to have a look at this. Massive battery, 40-minute flight time. Let's get it going. We've got the tablet here, the AltiCube iPlace 70 Mini Pro. We're going to get a screen recorder going here. Everything, start recording. Should be good. There we go. Okay, we got it on the mat. Here we go. We can only choose between video and photo, and I have an SD card in there, so I'm going to get my 4K video on there, and I'm going to get my 48 megapixel camera images on there. You don't have a choice. That's it. You can choose. You can bring the brightness up and down, not the EV, but the brightness and the white balance and all that kind of stuff. We're just going to leave it on auto. Let's see what happens. This is it. This is the exciting part. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go down and in, and we have 19 and 20 on that, and the satellites should be up there. Let's see what happens. Ready to fly. And up we go. There it is. Well, yeah, I'll call myself semi-impressed. Semi-impressed. Oh, the puppies are out and about with the puppies. It's pretty stable. Okay, let's get behind it here. Drop it down a bit. I'm gonna go straight forward. Oh, the garbage truck was here. Go straight forward. Pretty good straight forward and straight backwards. Not bad. Come back over here. Over here. Let's try this again. Straight forwards. That's good. And straight backwards. Not bad. Might have a little bit of calibration there, but not bad. The straight forward is what I'm worried about mostly. Straight forward. Okay. And then straight backwards. That's it. Okay. We are in what mode? Let's press the speed button here. Nope, it's not the speed button. Sorry, speed button's over here. Oh. Sport mode, cinema mode. Going forward on cinema mode. Okay, and backwards. Pretty good. Okay, let's start that video. Yeah, push them here. Video, up we go. Let's go up. It's really, really stable. Okay, we're just up there. Let's have a look. And we're across the street there. We're only up a couple of 14 meters. No, 12 meters. Got to go up to about 30. There we are. 32, 33. Bring that down a bit. There we go. I like it about there. Okay. It's doing really good. Let's get out this way a little bit. Let's go out. We're in slow mode. And our slow mode is full stick forward, about 3 meters per second. Okay? 3 meters per second. Let's go into another speed mode here. Normal. Let's go forward. 5 or 6. 5. I'd say 5 at the top end. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Sport mode. Straight forward. 5. Maybe 10 at the max, I'd say. Maybe some strong winds. Let's turn around. Okay, there we go. And full stick forward. 10, 12. Yeah, okay, we're in the wind. There it is. Okay, let's head out this way. Well, we're gonna go. Where are we going? Nope, not that way. Keep going around. Good, 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 good. Gonna go that way. There we are. And up a little bit. 47. We'll come down to about 47 meters. There we go. There we go. I'm still looking at this pretty good. And we've got lots of juice left on the battery. Lots left. Nice video. Okay, let's go down back to Cine. Let's go to normal mode. Okay. Yep. Okay. Let's do a return to home. Let's see what happens to it. There we go. It's going to come back. And we are at 49 meters high. That's good enough. I just want to see where it's come, see if I can cancel it at any time. There it is. Let's see if it's going to come down any close. And it's coming down. Yeah, it'll miss everything. It'll be off about, oh, maybe a foot. Oh, pretty close, a couple of meters. Penny. Coming down. That's really good. Really impressive. Stop it there. There we go. Bring it over. Let's go here, and we're going to stop that video if we go back a bit. Back a bit. There we go. Down. Forward. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to stop that video. Got that button there. And if we push the photo button, there we go. It's making its rounds there. It's pretty good. And if I get into the sun, let's come forward a bit. Okay, down we go. There we go. And we take another photo. There we go. And we're gonna hand catch it now. Okay, turn it around. Bring it down. Down. And we're gonna go underneath. And down. And it stopped. That's awesome. Look at the size of this thing. It's massive. Holystone HS600D did really well. You know, I'm not interested in the gimmicky stuff, but for a first flight, really well. Let's put it down, get a conclusion going here, okay? So there you have it, the HS600D Doctor from Holystone. D Doctor, it's my alphanumeric language there. But anyway, the 600D, over 600 grams. You put an SD card in, you get the full 4K video. You don't get to choose 4K or 1080p, it's straight 4K. You don't get to choose 48 megapixel or 12 megapixel if you have the SD card in, but it does save a cache file of a 720p video and an 8 megapixel, a 12 megapixel imagery. Okay, so we've got 48 megapixel on the SD card and 4K on the SD card, and it saves it in the cache file on your phone as well. It performed really, I was really surprised. Very good handling, very good stability, very good hovering. It's a beast. It's a heavy tank. It reminds me of the old 80s cell phones, if you will, the big bricks they used to be. It's not going anywhere in the wind. Okay, so there you have it, the HS600D. I'm impressed. I thought it did a really good job, okay? Not too much in the way of fancy stuff. It just flies, does its stuff. I wouldn't be too interested in all the gimmicky stuff like the fly-arounds and all that kind of stuff. You want to get out, you want to get some video, you want to inspect something really quickly or take your time, and it's a little gusty, up to 30 miles an hour or whatever, you know, 50 kilometers an hour, heavy gusts and stuff like that. You're going to have no problem with this drone, okay? So it's going to be a tough one. I still think it's a tough one, okay? Because there's nothing in this price range that's over 250 grams that's got a support system or a network behind it other than the big brand names, okay? So this is in a niche that there isn't really much competition. So I seriously say, take a look at Holystone for the big bird, okay? Till next time, take care, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and take care. Bye now.